guys. It's been an amazing trip. Love you.
Love you.
See you guys in a couple weeks, man.
Love you, bro.
Love you, bro. Love you. Dude, enjoy Hong Kong tonight. We'll see you in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
What, you're not sitting with me?
I'm gonna sit here.
Alright, love guys.
Love you
Peace
guys.
out.
Bye, guys.
It's been emotional.
It's been emotional.
It's a bum out. Alright guys. Love yous.
Later.
Love you.
Oh, there it is. Nice and smooth, baby.
Later, guys. Alright, so we just arrived in Hong Kong. We're gonna be here for 24 hours, and we're gonna show you how we do it. Whoa. We just left our friends. We just got off the plane from Bali for 8 days. It was amazing. Everyone should go there. But now,
Doesn't say they're going to London.
yeah, our friends are going to London.
So we dropped them off at their lounge.
And now we are going into Hong Kong on a layover. But we decided to check out a new hotel called the Rosewood, which we've never stayed at before.
No, we've never stayed. We actually have never even stayed on this side of town.
Kowloon. It's true. Anyway, we hit our friends up in Hong Kong. They have a really cool agency, and they reached out to Rosewood and set us up. So we're going to experience everything the hotel has to offer, which started by getting off the plane, meeting this guy who had a sign with our names on it, and we're cruising through the airport. So, yeah.
So off to a great start then.
I'm excited. We got dinner at the hotel, but we got to get through customs first. All right, Hong Kong, let's go. Thank you, my man.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
I mean, we got the crystalware.
Wow, what are we putting in there? Water?
Oh, just for the sparkling. A hotspot charger.
Hi, welcome to Hong Kong.
Thank
wow,
you.
Thank
Cool Tower of the
you.
Bridge.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Wave a flag.
So we will take around half hour to arrive at the hotel.
Okay, perfect.
Babe.
Living.
This is where you're staying on the 7th floor. You'll be really cocooned, and you're the first guest to stay there.
Come on.
The first guest ever
Really?
to stay in this room.
That's
What?
insane.
It's my favorite. Whoa, these elevators
This is
are
my
cheap.
first time to do the rooming as well. If I do anything wrong,
You-
please give me some allowances.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
She just is giving me pressure, you know.
Yeah. I like
Yeah.
it.
So
How
if
cool.
there's anything that's not 100%, I mean, it's not a test
Yeah.
stay by any stretch.
Sure.
Don't get me wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we're
But,
gonna test it.
Basically, yeah, please do.
So welcome to your home, Hong Kong.
Wow.
Smells like a
Smells amazing in here. Whoa. What?
This is so insane.
Oh, Bags made it. Hey. It's called multitasking, people.
Oh my god.
Wow.
What?
things to tell you.
What? We have our own massage bed.
This is insane.
Oh my god. Whoa. In the room?
Wow, you guys really outdid yourselves. This is really another
You're our
level.
first guest.
Yeah, we're the first guests.
And look at this, and we put your name signature on it.
No, you
Yeah,
didn't.
we've done it.
Stop.
Come on.
Yeah.
Well, we're bringing these home.
So we've got 2 toilets. There's
Toto's our
one
favorite.
in here with the Toto washers, and there's one right on the other side as
Wow.
well. So everything. And then here we've got your sleep kits. You each have your own, so you can do your silent mode meditation, which is all tech guided. It's super cool. And then your whole sleep kits are
I
there.
was just saying I wanted to sleep with a
I
meditation.
know.
And then there's another
Another bathroom.
talking toilet in there.
Yeah, we love Toto. It's the best. Look at the sink.
Toto
Whoa.
is the best, yeah.
This is so well done.
Yeah.
This
Tony
is crazy.
Chi. Tony, if you're watching, we respect it.
Pressed almond milk, soy milk, and all that, and then juices, and everything is according to
Oh
kind of
my goodness.
gut health. It's all based around kind
This
of
is my dream.
honoring gut health. So
This is my dream.
cold
This is
brew
literally your
oolong
dream.
tea.
This is insane.
You-
I'm like, I don't even know what to do with myself.
no. Look at this face.
This is the
Steam.
steam room.
So
The
yeah.
steam room.
Oh my god.
Wait, there's no one else in here when we're here?
No one else
Only,
in here.
only you and
What? Wow.
So this is heated. You can just hang in there.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have this hour
Yeah.
at 9
Woo, Peter.
naughty boy.
Yeah, naughty boy. I can't believe this place.
Yeah, this is crazy.
We are doing 17 hours the right way.
Seriously.
We just finished dinner, ate some quick dim sum, but now we're checking out the Manor Club, which is on the 40th floor of this hotel, and it looks pretty crazy. Showing private bars, the whole area in here, but best of all, get the skyline patio. Wow.
This is insane.
Table for four, anyone?
Yeah, what? This is wild.
Oh, this is crazy. Wow. Got these really nice night kits here. It's your sleep kit, breathing practice meditation, spray your pillow. Try the pillow spray? Smells nice. I'm gonna have to take these home. Signature, detox, balance, and new sleep masks. So we got here, we woke up and we thought we had to leave at noon. It's already 9 a.m. Woke up at 8 and the slides are looking a little tight. Anyway, we checked our airline, it only cost $100 to extend a day, so we pushed it a day. And we were just gonna enjoy the amenities here at the Rosewood because this is just too nice.
It's too beautiful. It's too beautiful to rush through. So mine's number three.
Oh my gosh. Let's hold on one second. Let me get you a different mirror. Okay.
Those things are looking very interesting. Making our own oils blended for the massage. And we're getting the aroma
atelier massage
Aroma.
for 60 minutes.
60-minute aroma atelier massage.
Yes.
Signature
Signature.
massage.
So when both are wait for you, I'll send
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This shower is amazing too. Wow, look at these shower heads. Whoa. This is stunning.
Wow.
How was that?
Thank you.
Give me some love. So nice. Asaya Lodge for the win. That was one of the better massages I've had.
Really?
Yeah.
I would say the same.
So the massage was amazing, but now I'm most excited about this. There's a beautiful steam room in here, which you may have seen last night a bit, but the lighting's better now. And this is pure tub relaxation. Can't wait to get in here. It's a non-clothing spot, so gonna have to leave that one to your imagination, but that, my friends, is worth every second of it. Dried fruit session. Paradise. I love some island life, but I also love city life. And this is just spectacular. There's not many outdoor spaces in Hong Kong, especially outdoor patios, so fact, you're able to stand out here. Most people get the idea of taking photos, but we'll stand outside on the Kowloon side, which we're on, and look over Hong Kong side. It's just epic. So tonight, we're eating here, Bayfair Social Club, which is here.
This is from the house, please. Enjoy.
Wow!
Thank you.
And so it begins.
Cheers.
Alright, so we just pulled up and this guy follows us on Instagram. He happens to be the chef.
His girlfriend follows us.
His girlfriend does.
Yeah.
Well, we're hooking it up. He's hooking it up. Yes, love oysters.
Wait, what a cutie.
This is the best.
That's crazy.
Oh, I'm not allowed.
Me too. You said it arrived today?
Area. It's arrived today, this morning.
Tuna arrived today from Japan. Caviar on the tuna.
Welcome to my kitchen.
We're excited to be here. What? Round 2's looking better than round 1. Wow. Wow.
And it's one with the tongue.
Oh, the tongue.
Tongue.
Wagyu tongue. Whoa. All right, the Wagyu tongue.
No lie, don't worry.
See the reaction. No? No, not for you.
Now I know that it's tongue. It's too much.
It's good.
It's good different.
Yeah. You're not in. Wagyu tongue, baby. Tongue on tongue. French kissing some meat.
Jeez Louise. This is insane.
The truffle, though.
Prawn paella, okay?
Wow.
Enjoy, guys.
Woo. Yes.
Welcome to
Yes.
the kitchen.
Thank you.
We're excited to be in your
Cheers.
kitchen. Cheers. Chin chin. Oh, forgot about me? That's all right. Don't worry about me.
Okay, let's go.
Chopped liver. So apparently the delicacy is taking the head of the langoustine,
The prawn.
taking the head of the prawn, cut, reload, and sucking the sweet juices out of it, which I'm about to do. It's really good. I left some in there for you.
You didn't even get any out?
Yeah.
You sound like you got a lot.
Look at how much is left in there.
Suck it out, baby.
Come on.
No.
Come on. You get some? Thoughts, comments? Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about?
Thank you,
Alright.
guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a
Appreciate it.
Okay,
You're the best.
good night.
Wow. That was an experience. Huh?
Yeah, it's
Eh?
amazing.
What's better than that?
No, that was so cool.
That was the best. Part of the Rosewood, this section of the Rosewood is called the Manor Club on the 40th floor, where we got all the night views and everything. But what's cool about it is drinks are free from 5 to 8 with food. Breakfast is complimentary, and it's not just your average breakfast. You get a full chef, you get your milks, you got your hot breakfast, you got your cold breakfast. Just a nice perk, all included in your stay. That's luxury. I did mention the happy hour from 5 to 8, and your cocktails are free with canapes. Yesterday we had some sauteed shrimp. Another thing we're gonna do before we leave, after we just ate breakfast at the Manor Club, is check out this mall called K11 that's attached to, it's the same owner of the hotel, and they built like a super mall, and apparently it's got a lot of concepts that are all exclusively made for, what floor are we going now?
Down to the lobby.
It's got a lot of concepts that are exclusively made just for the mall, so brands partner up with K11 and create an activation and product just for the mall. It's supposed to be crazy. I'm excited to check it out. Hannah already checked it out.
I'm excited to show you around.
I feel like not everything's open yet.
This is the contact lens.
Iconic. So Hannah got contact lenses here yesterday.
Because I needed to get a case. But they're color contacts.
So today we have Hazel Oh, shoot. Let's not go here right now then, or I guess we have to though.
No,
Let's
we
find a
don't have to. Let's get a coffee.
So when we were in Tokyo, we went to this place called Arabica Coffee. Apparently they have one here. Yes, correction, when we were in Kyoto. And it was the best coffee I think I've ever had. I really loved it, and they have one here, so we're gonna find it. Gentleman's Culture? Yeah, you said it's in the basement, huh?
Yeah. This is where I got my hair done yesterday. Why aren't things open?
It's
Maybe
early.
they open at 11?
Yeah. I just said yeah like I knew. Yeah, they open it. Oh. Take it, girl. Take it, girl. You got this. You got this. You got this. Oh, Palenko. Look gusty out here. Wee bit gusty. I remember, like coffee in the wind. I believe I can fly. Woo!
Let's go.
Let's get back into
It's hard to...
reality, which is fake reality.
Yep.
Which I love. Unfortunately, too, we need to sit out at the pool today, but next time, can't do everything. That's it, we're checking out. Oh, damn. Nice calling.
They don't F around out here.
Yeah. This is their airport shuttle. It's got a nice range. Taking you right to the airport. It's the Jag we came in. Life isn't bad out here. We're checking out of the Rosewood. This place is straight up next level. If you get a chance, come stay here. Hong Kong, Rosewood Hotel. We were here for a 17-hour layover. We extended another night because it was so good. And yeah, what can you say? It's like 36 hours in Hong Kong in one hotel, and it didn't even feel like we needed to leave. So we are out of here. Hannah's headed back to New York. This guy has to go to Dubai, so he's gonna stay here a couple days and then move on over. But Rosewood, we love you. It's our first time staying at one of your properties. It was incredible.
Awesome, beyond. Like, what an experience. And look at this view, it's crazy.
There it is. All right.